Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever that might find you. Thank you for taking the time for looking at our product offering today. We greatly appreciate it. We're going to be talking about uh, four different products within one line um, of products. They are all in the supplemental health part of the business, including an accident um, benefit. So we're gonna be talking about the company that we represent. Has been 90 years in the market, a public company with very affordable and great products. Some of the benefits that you will find within the product line are basically you can offer the product in a business to business scenario, but also on a business to personal scenario. So it is really built for the masses. Um, it is sold in a one by one basis. We do have some group benefits, but mainly we focus on business to person. You can actually add an additional stream of income to your product line. And a lot of our agents and agencies actually make a living just doing this type of product. Why? Because 98% of the product is jet issued. It is approved before you end your meeting in the house or in a business. So it's a 20 to 30 to 40-minute presentation. There's no paper applications. You can use your laptop, tablet, and smartphone. We have one of the highest commission of all supplemental products in the market. We have the highest residuals paid in the market. There's no phone interviews required, unlike other health supplement products that require a phone interview from the house or whenever you're selling it over the phone. So we actually um, can we can actually sell this product right over the phone. You can have the customer join you in a webinar such as this. You can sell it right over the phone, no webinar, no interview required. So that makes a huge difference with some of our markets. If you're into different markets, minority markets, Hispanic, Hindu, Chinese, Indian, so then this is the perfect product because there's no social security required. There's no need for the social security. So that makes it a little bit easier to place some of the products in hard to place markets. So now you can go. One of the most predominant markets right now is the Hispanic market, obviously, and no social, no problem. We can write it. Affordable for everyone. Products are designed with the customer budget in mind. We're going after the blue collar customer, middle America. So you have plenty of customers to choose from. There are exclusive territories protected for agencies of 5 agents or more. So as you send in your contract and you want to build an agency, there's cases where we will offer exclusive territories for agency builders. There's customer data that we offer at only 2 cents per name, and there's a lot more benefits that we will not have time to go over today. But as you get contracted and ready to go, you'll find out that there's a lot more. Keeping up with the changing market. With the supplemental insurance that we have, you can provide a cost-effective financial protection for your customers while increasing your revenue. So now you can help your customers fill the insurance gaps and reduce the risks. So a lot of our customers, don't even have a health insurance, life insurance. or any insurance in that case. And so we can help them fill those insurance gaps with supplemental health products. There's a lot more protection, and the support is fantastic as we're portal-based enrollment services. There we have obviously our policy fulfillment department, billing services, claim processing, call center, policyholder services, and obviously one of the most important things that I like to point out is that we have a retention team that helps you retain the business on your books. So we're working on the background always to retain your customer, which means more money in your pocket for you into future years. Some of the products that we're going to be talking about, there are four main products, but these two right here are going to be the most popular products, the accident insurance and the sick pay plus. Accident insurance has got cash benefits paid directly to the customers injured due to an accident. So the benefit is paid directly to the customer uh, when they have an accident and are injured. They have a 24/7 coverage on or off the job, 365 years out of the year. There's a real-time decision, which actually that's why 98% of our products are jet issued. Uh, the decision is done right then on the phone or at the kitchen table or at the business, wherever you might be sitting at. You're going to get a decision right then and there. There's actually a sports package also available to cover active families, people that are into sports, et cetera, et cetera. The second product is sick pay plus. This one, I believe it's one of the best products in the market. I have not seen anything like this out there. It's actually not everyone has, all of our customers, if you look at their work or at the daily lives, not everyone has a paid sick days to fall back on when recovering from an illness or injury. And our coverage provides benefits for those who are sick or hurt and unable to work. We have day one coverage, and some of the key features goes beyond the accident insurance to cover accident and illnesses. We have cash benefits that starts the first day customers miss work. This is again real-time decision, which makes signing up the application very easy because you will get a decision right then and there. There's a 24/7, 365 coverage for all occupations. So we don't look at a special occupation or exclude any occupations, unlike any other products. So this it's super, super, super important because we're looking at any and all applications. So imagine all the doors that it's open. Dangerous applications, no problems. Minors, no problems. Some work industries cannot be covered. Well, we cover all occupations. We make it easy. Again, the other two products are the critical illness insurance that pays lump sum benefit when the customer is diagnosed with a critical condition. Benefits are paid in addition to any other insurance, and there's optional benefits for the customer. And obviously, we have the smoker and non-smoker rates. The other one, again, the fourth product that we offer is cancer insurance. Uh, you know, you can help your customers focus on recovery. Uh, the payments are paid in a lump sum. There's also cash benefits that can be used towards treatment, recovery, and other related expenses. Some of the benefits include the skin cancer benefits. And obviously, the benefits are paid in addition to any other insurance customers may have. Just to give you a sample of what the product looks like, for example, on the accident insurance, we already know statistically that over 4 out of 10 people are treated in the hospital emergency rooms every year. So 4 out of 10 people that you see every day will visit an emergency room every year. And the product summary that we pay on 3 different plans: the standard, the choice, and the preferred plan. We have hospital admission in benefits. We pay them as they go into the hospital. Hospital confinement, this is a per day. There's some maximums over here: 365 days, 30 days, 30 days, 7 days, um, and 3 visit maximum per year. But as you can see, a customer that goes into the hospital on a standard plan can make $1,000 paid directly to them in that admission. If they're confined, it will pay them $200 a day for a maximum of 365 days. If they're admitted into the ICU unit, they get an additional $2,000. There's rehab admission, there's outpatient surgical facility pay, recovery benefit, emergency room. There's an initial doctor office visit that we refund, urgent cares, x-rays, ambulances, burns, concussions. You can see that the coverage is just out there. Plus, on top of everything, we're adding an AD&D, accident, death, and dismemberment coverage for the primary spouse and child, up to $50,000 per person. So, and then the sports package, we have the 25% in addition to any other coverage, up to 1,000 per person per year. And as you can see that the coverage, it's very, very affordable, starting at $14. As you can see, $14 per month. That's about $3.50 per week. Primary and spouse, you can cover 2 people for $24 a month. Primary and children, and you can cover the whole family for $36.54, which that everybody knows that's an average of about $7, $7 to $8 a week, and that's very, very affordable to cover the families. To look at the second product on the Sick Pay Plus, product that we cover day one. Obviously, we already talked and mentioned that we provide day one coverage when the insured can't work due to covered illness or injury. Pay cash directly to the insured when they need it the most. And this is day one coverage, again, up to $1,500 per month. So there's a preferred plan and there's a choice plan. And again, we're going to discuss as you sign up and know what it's covered. We're going to have any minor injuries such as sprains, strains, illnesses, minor illnesses such as a simple sinusitis, I'm sorry, flu, asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia, injuries or illnesses that require hospitalization or outpatient surgery, C-section, and again, up to 6 months, stroke, paralysis, hip fracture, etc. So there's a preferred plan, choice plan. There's some exclusions um, that we will cover, but most everyone, obviously, suicide is one of them that we will not accept. Mental or emotional disorders, alcoholism. Um, so, there's most of the states in your areas are covered now and approved for the coverage. Eligibility ages are going to be 18 to 67 years old, and there's a minimum $15,000 per year requirement. Again, we make it very easy to do business with our insurance company. We talked a little bit about the web-based sales portal. You can integrate your portal with your website if you have a website, uh, but we make it super simple to write up your application. And we reached the end of our short presentation over here. We'd like to invite you to go ahead and take action today, get started, and if you want to send us an email with your information, your email, your phone number, and what area you are working in, then we would be more than happy to get back with you and get you started as soon as possible. Again, thank you for the time. Have a good day.